Okay guys, here a short video about the shit I have been having to deal with about last sessions. Here we have my microphone output, and here we have the volume in Microsoft Teams. And as you see, everything is normal now. This is just how it's supposed to be. This one should be on 100, and here you can see people in the Teams can hear me. But if I raise my voice slightly, which I do when I get emotional, then the following happens. If the volume here gets higher than this bar can show, then this slider will just go down a little bit and not go up again. Teams will just put this down. I have very clearly unchecked the box. Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. So Teams does not have control of this device, but still Teams completely ignores that, and it will just put the slider down. When I raise my voice a little bit, you can see I didn't do anything. I will put the slider back up, and if I raise my voice a little bit, it puts the slider back down. And now I'm talking softly again, and Teams is like, I don't care about that. And if you say, guys, I can't hear you, and I say, oh, well, in that case I will talk a bit harder, Teams will just put it further down. What is this bug? This is terrible. How can I not remove this? Look, I'm just getting emotional from talking about this bug, even if I'm not in a call. And this is while having a fix installed. As you can see, this is a cable output. This is not my actual microphone. My microphone loops around to this cable output. Because if I use my actual microphone, it's even worse. This bug, but I didn't know. But apparently with this cable output, it also happens. And only Teams does this. Discord is fine, Skype is fine, any other video calling software I use is fine. Teams does this, I hate it. Why does Teams do this? Why does Microsoft just fix this? This will break online meetings, and it will break our D&D session. Thank you, I just needed to rant about this. Microsoft, fix your shit.